Imagine parking a Rolls-Royce next to a Lamborghini, next to the world's most expensive motorhome. Now imagine one vehicle making all of them feel incomplete, because none of them can do what you're about to see. This is the Commander, an 8-wheel luxury expedition machine designed to take you somewhere no luxury vehicle has ever truly gone. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this concept could completely redefine luxury travel. For decades, luxury manufacturers have been solving the wrong problem. They've made cars faster, quieter, smarter, more expensive. But they've never answered one simple question. What happens when the road ends? Because that's where luxury usually stops. The Commander starts there. First impression. At nearly every angle, the Commander looks impossible. Its proportions resemble an armored military vehicle. Its details belong on a 3 million-pound superyacht. Its stance feels like something designed to conquer continents rather than commute through cities. The huge panoramic glass, the towering ride height, the sculpted body, the elegant gold accents. Everything has one purpose: to make every arrival unforgettable. And that's before anyone opens the door. The moment, everything changes, because once you step inside, your brain stops thinking vehicle and starts thinking luxury residence. Warm walnut panels wrap around the cabin. Cream leather stretches across handcrafted seating. Soft lighting flows beneath every surface. There are no harsh edges, no exposed mechanics, no reminder that you're sitting inside an expedition machine. Instead, it feels like checking into the world's most exclusive hotel. Except tomorrow, that hotel can drive across a mountain. The surprise nobody expects then. You notice something unusual. This isn't only built for luxury. Hidden behind the elegant design is an organized command center. Emergency equipment, recovery tools, medical supplies, communication systems, everything perfectly arranged, everything instantly accessible. Most luxury vehicles prepare you for comfort. The Commander prepares you for uncertainty. And strangely, that makes it feel even more luxurious, because confidence is the ultimate luxury. The driver's experience moves forward into the cockpit, and it becomes clear this wasn't designed around technology. It was designed around the driver. A panoramic digital display stretches across the dashboard. Every control falls naturally within reach. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of the world outside. Even before the engine starts, you feel in control, whether powered by a next-generation diesel-electric system or a fully electric drivetrain. One thing is obvious. This machine wasn't created to win drag races. It was created to reach places other luxury vehicles never will. Why this matters? Here's the fascinating part. The Commander isn't competing with Range Rover. It isn't competing with Rolls-Royce. It isn't competing with Earth Roamer, because it belongs somewhere else entirely. Imagine working from a mountain, having dinner beside a glacier, watching sunrise over the desert, sleeping under the northern lights, without leaving your own private luxury suite. Suddenly, luxury isn't about where you stay. It's about where you wake up. Will the Commander ever become reality? Maybe. Maybe not. But every revolutionary vehicle starts as an impossible idea. And history has a habit of turning impossible ideas into everyday reality. Perhaps one day, the world's most desirable luxury vehicle won't be the fastest or the most expensive. It'll be the one that gives you something money usually can't buy: absolute freedom. So here's the question. If someone handed you the keys tomorrow, where would you disappear first? Because after seeing the Commander, home might never mean the same thing again.